In this video, we are going to see how to add YouTube video details in Google Sheets. So let's say that you want that every time a new video is uploaded on YouTube, so the details like the title of the video and description should become a part of your Google Sheet so that you can later check them out. Now, to do this, you will have to set up some integration between these two applications, and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect software. Here your trigger application will be YouTube and your action application will be Google Sheets. Now, how can you set up this automation yourself? To understand that, let me take you to my screen. To begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and here we have reached the landing page of the software. On the right hand side, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you already have an account with us, simply sign in. You are a new user, click on this tab, sign up. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. Now I'm going to click on sign in, and here we have reached the all applications page. Let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect, and here we have reached the dashboard of this application. On the right hand side, you can see a tab create workflow. Let's click on this, and another dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name this workflow. Now here my objective is that I wish to add YouTube video details in Google Sheets. So every time a new video is uploaded on my YouTube channel, then I want the details like the name of the video, the title, the description should be added in Google Sheets. So I'm going to name it as add YouTube video details in Google Sheets. Now let's click on create. So as soon as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got two significant events. One is trigger, another one is action. Triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of our trigger application. So every time a video is uploaded in YouTube, then only this workflow should run. So here my first application would be YouTube. Let's click on this. And now the trigger event. This is the event that will make my workflow start. So what is the event here? So this will trigger when a new video is added in a channel and retrieves video details with URL. So I'm going to click on this. Let's click on connect. And here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the YouTube account. Let's click on add new connection and then connect with YouTube. So here we have to choose the account. Once done, we have to provide the authorization. So let me just click on continue, and here we can see that the authorization has been successful. Now we have to provide the channel ID. So I'm going to map this channel ID for you. So this is our channel ID. You can find the same once we go to our YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel, and if I take you to my channel, so this is my channel ID. This is the same as we have here. Okay. Now once done, let's click on save and send test request. So here you can see that we have received the details of the last video uploaded there. So I'm going to now show you the video that I've just uploaded. So this is the video, the demo video new. So now here you can see that this is the same video that has been uploaded. This is the title of the video. This is the time published at. If I take you down, now here is the description. But there is a single issue that the description is not complete. Okay. You can see the 3 dots. Basically, it is not complete. Rest of the information we have already received. Now, to make sure that we have received the complete description, we are going to choose an action application. Again, it is YouTube. Let's click on this. And this time, our action event would be list video by ID. Let's click on this and click on connect. So I'm going to save the existing connection here. And now I have to map the video ID. Mapping is that I have already received this ID in my previous step. I'm just going to retrieve it here. So I'm going to click on this, go to step 1. I'm going to look for ID, and this is my video ID. Okay, let's click on this and then click on save and send test request. So here you can see that I have received the details once again, but this time the description is absolutely complete. Now, what is my objective? My objective is that I should be able to save this data in my Google Sheet. So now I'm going to choose my next action application, which is Google Sheets. So let's click on this. And the action event here would be to add a new row. So every time a new video is uploaded on YouTube, then automatically the details would become a part of my Google Sheet as a new row. I'm again going to click on add new connection, as Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the Google Sheets account now. Let's connect with Google Sheets. Again, we have to select the account, and now we have to provide the authorization. Let's click on continue, and here you can see that the authorization has been successful. So once done, I have to select the sheet that I have created. Let me show you the sheet this is the spreadsheet that I have created. The name is YouTube video details. It has got one sheet. The name is sheet 1. It has the following column fields: video title, video URL, description, and published date. Now going back to Pabbly Connect, let's look for the sheet which is YouTube video details. Now since there was only one sheet in that spreadsheet, it has been captured by the system automatically. Now we have to fill in this information. We are going to map this. Now you know what is mapping, but why is mapping important? Because if I write this information manually, then every time, even when there is a new workflow with different details, then also it is going to take the same details that I'll fill manually. So to make sure that it captures the new data as per the workflow, it is important to map this information. Now I'm going to click on this, the video title. So let's go to step 1, and here we have the video title. Now for the video URL, again we are going to step 1. This is the video URL. Now for the description, I'm going to go to step 2, and this is the description. Okay, now here we have to fill in the published date, but we haven't received the date in a regular format. So as I have received the date, so this is the format that I have received the date in. So I have to now change the format. For this, I'm going to add another action step over here, and this time I'm going to choose a feature by Pabbly which is date time formatter. Let's click on this. Now the action event would be to format date with time zone. Let's click on connect, and here the date, let's map the date. So this is the date, and now the from format. So this is exactly the same format, and now to format here would be I want this in date, month, year, and then I want the time. So let's click on this. From time zone would be UTC, and to time zone would be Kolkata, Asia, Kolkata. Now let's click on save and send test request. So here you can see that we have received the required information in the required format. Now what we are going to do is, here we are going to quickly refresh this connection once. So once done, I'm going to go down and I'm going to add the date. So go to step 3, and this is the date. Now let's click on save and send test request. So here we can see that we have received the response, which basically means that this information now should become a part of my Google Sheet. So let's go and check it out. So here is the Google Sheet, and yes, we have received the data. So this is our video title. So let me show you. Okay, so this is our video title. Then we have the video URL, the description, and the published date. I hope this is very much clear to you. Now we are going to check this in real time, because as of now we understand that our integration is a success, but we also need to check it in real time. So I'm going to now go back to YouTube, and here I'm going to upload another video. So let me go on this upload video. So I'm going to select a file now. So let's say this is the video. Let's open it, and now I'm going to name it as new integration 1, 2, 3, and let's write the description. So this is the description. This integration demonstrates how Google Sheets can get integrated with WhatsApp, thereby making our lives a lot easier and saving a lot of time. It will help you connect with your customers on a highly personalized level. Check out the video to understand the process. Now I'm going to click on no, it's not made for kids, so age restriction done. Let's click on next, and then finally here let's make it public, publish. So as soon as we have published this video, new integration 1, 2, 3, what should happen? Then automatically this information should become a part of my Google Sheet. But if I take you back to Pabbly Connect, so here it is written that this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. Basically, this application has a polling time of 10 minutes, which means that this workflow is going to run after every 10 minutes to check for new data. Now we are supposed to wait for 10 minutes so that the information can be shared with Google Sheets. So it's been 10 minutes. Now I'm going to take you back to my sheet, and yes, here you can see that we have received the information. This is new integration 123. This is the URL, the description, and the publish date and time. So I hope this is absolutely clear to you. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect to exactly understand what did we do. So here our trigger application was YouTube, where the event was new video in channel with video URL. Then again we had chosen the same application because we needed the complete description. So we had chosen the event list video by ID, and finally our action application was date time formatter by Pabbly, and here the event was format date with time zone because we had to format the date and time. And our last action application was Google Sheets, where the event was add new row. I hope that we are absolutely through with this. In case of any doubt, you can refer to the same workflow that we have worked on. It is there in the description box. Also, you can clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any other integration to work on, you can always write to us. Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.